Welcome to maths class, and this is your teacher Black Adam. We're doing question 9, that's application of calculus. We have point A there, and that's point B. Point C, that's the y-intercept. And then we have point of origin, and then values of x if x is decreasing. So we move from left to right. That's how we read a graph. Right, then at that point there, so we relate point x with point y, and then the path must touch on the graph, so that's the coordinate. So that's how left to right. Now you can see as you move from left to right on the graph, that line, you have turning point there, which is turning point A and turning point B, and then you see the graph is going down from there, and then it's gonna go up. So turning point means that the graph will change direction. So that's x1 there, and you have x2. x1 is 1, x2 is 5/2, and then it's decreasing from those intervals, from those points. So what actually means, it means that x is going to be greater than 1, and x is going to be less than 5/2. And that is it. So you can regroup that. If x is greater than 1, which means 1 is less than x, it's less than x, and then x already is less than 5/2. So we just group them in one statement. Okay, so write down x-intercept of the derivative. So the derivative there, the turning points become the intercepts. So that's the trend, that's the pattern. So we have a turning point there that passes through there. So you have that point there where x is 5/2, that one there x is 1. So that's how we actually interpret. So that means the x-intercept is going to be x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 5/2. And then we move to the next question, the values of x if x is concave up. Concave up, we just look at the midpoint. Concave up, so the midpoint between the two turning points, that's the value of x. So what we're going to do, we're going to add them. So x is going to be 1 plus 2.5. So 1 plus 2.5, that's 3.5, divided by half, that's divided by 2. And we just do simple arithmetic there. So that is x is going to be greater than, okay, so not equal to, greater than 1 plus 5/2 divided by 2. So that means it's x is greater than 2/2 for 1, so because our base is 2, plus 5/2, and all of that multiplied by 1/, is it 4? I think it's 2. Yeah, multiplied by 1/2, not 4. So that means multiplied by 1/2, and then x is greater than 7/2 multiplied by half. So that is x is greater than 7/4. 7 times 1 is 7, and then 2 times 2 is 4, and that's a final. That's the answer for 9.3. So determine the value of k for which y is f of x plus k has 3. It has to have 3 points, so that's point 1, point 2, point 3. So which means b, we have 8 there, and then a, we have 3 points there to consider. So that means it has to come down that unit 8. So to rewrite that, we're going to say, since we need to have 3 positive x intervals, so it's -9 less than k, and then k less than -8. So that means that it has to not much than 9 units down and not much than 8 units down according to the turning point. So that's a vertical shift downwards. So that's why it's actually telling us what to do. So that's a final answer. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, so those are the points there that indicates the change as it goes vertical down. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, subscribe. Any comments, leave below.